Hey friends, welcome to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Well, today I thought I would share with you a little home decor inspiration for fall. So I will be showing you how to use black and white in your decor for fall. Fall is one of my favorite times of year, and as you guys know, I love to decorate in black and white. Although this year I am adding a touch of color. But I wanted to show you some past ways that I have used black and white in my fall decorating. And today's video is part of a collaboration that I am co-host here with a couple of wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that is Antonette, who is our host from Antonette Decorating, and Ann from Glam Designs by Ann, who is our second co-host. So I'm going to show you some tablescapes that I have put together using black and white, along with some vignettes that I have put together. Some are fall related, some are Halloween, but I think it'll give you an idea on how to use black and white in your fall decor, as well as I am going to show you some of my favorite Pinterest inspired black and white fall decorating. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching, and I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below so you can go and check out all of their fabulous black and white fall home decor inspiration. So I I hope today's video has given you some fall inspired inspiration on how you can decorate in black and white. So if you've enjoyed today's content, I would so appreciate it if you would give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will leave some additional videos for you to check out featuring black and white home decor that I think you'll love.